All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1962 Ford Thunderbird, T-Bird for short. White exterior with the teal old-fashioned style interior. As you can see, it's pretty stylish. It actually looks really good with this car. Very much like a granny car, but we don't think of it like that. We think of it more as a classic blast from the past. Power windows, power steering, power brakes. Of course, now would be the best time to do it while I'm in front of a school campus. Nobody's behind me now. As you can see, they still have the old-fashioned wheel, no modified gauges. Not really much aftermarket stuff added to this car, except the new version of the retro sound radios. Well, other than that, as we're going down the road, everything still works. Even our horn still works, which is a very nice touch. It's better to be safe than sorry. Has a good turn radius, no squeals. And other than that, she's a pretty smooth cruiser we got here at Skyway Classics. And of course, with Skyway Classics, we take pride in all our cars, make sure they're safe and looking good. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you all take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.